later, there was an attack from the local people. Yeah, so at the beginning, the castle was seafront. But because of the attack, they made it double face. Oh. That's why you see these cannons. Okay, also pointing on the land. So the local people from the land, they face them from left. Then other foreign nationals over there on the sea. There is another British tomb for 3 British who were living in this castle, but they all died the same day, the same year.
Oh, wow.
All females, yes. The first person, Mrs. Eliza Fountain, who was the wife of John Fountain. But John was once an officer of the African Committee in this castle. And then 2 little children, very infant, but I don't know their ages. They all died on this day, the 6th of August, 18.
What happened to them?
Mosquitoes. Malaria. Yeah, even though they were taking quinine. They were taking quinine as their prophylaxis, but it didn't work out. Malaria is very strong.
I told you that if the Gold Coasters they were to know, they will not fight with gun or they will not fight with knife or whatever. It's a matter of breeding more mosquitoes at your community, and then you leave them. Mosquitoes will fight for you. When they bite them within no time, 2-3 days, they are gone. Mosquito is more powerful than atomic bomb.
Oh yes. And this thing was done here by her friend, saying that she was kind, sincere, and all the
slave traders.
For that, you need not to say bad thing about the person.
Oh yeah, because
that's what he said. He said.
Yeah, that's what they are saying.
So why didn't they just throw them in the sea too?
Yeah. They didn't do that. They burnt them and they took the 3 ash. Cremation.
She want to know why.
Covered with this.
Because they could go to.
Yeah, she want to know why it wasn't done.
Why?
Because they were white.
Yeah. That's the answer.
They will be buried, but an African will be thrown into the sea. Because at that time, they were in the helm of affairs. They have superior weapons and they have more people. Even if they need people, they will just go to any African protracted country, English country, bring soldiers to come and fight. Even the local people, look at it as he's telling us, they have canoes all over. So if you're a local person who want to attack them, they know that you are not going to come from the sea, but you're going to come from behind. So they put this one there so that they can also fight you.
Interesting that came out later.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Go
That's
down.
we can take pictures here. Or you want to the other side?